Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. Yeah, this is the video to show you my another notebook, and this notebook is for make this for Eunice as her birthday gift, but I can't make it give her in time. Yeah, her birthday is on 2nd April because I always busy on my monthly kit. But anyway, yeah, I'm so glad I'm finished, and I will just give this as a surprise gift to her later after I finish record. Okay, and yep, I print this on Pinterest, so you can see happy birthday to my darling princess Eunice. Yeah, and just a simple box, and I show you. And this is can call this is the inside the box. Okay, it's a Eunice's favorite doggies notebook. Okay, yeah, she loves all her doggies, yeah, furry babies so much, even the big size, my house, yeah, big size, the Rottweiler. Altogether we have 6, yeah, doggies in our house, and every weekend I have to, yeah, very busy to give them bathe them. And yeah, later I will show you all my doggies. Okay, and this is the book, and the pictures at the images and the paper I print from Pinterest. And this is the inside the box. This is very simple, and this sticker I will give her and let her to learn to create her first notebook. Okay, and you can see yeah, I make this one is a booklet. You can see I love my dog, and I print all this from, yeah, I mentioned, from Pinterest, and I use the cut out the shape. Okay, and inside is a paper notes. You can write something in here. And this is mama. This is the mama Rottweiler, and yeah, she grow up, yeah, grown so fast. This is, yeah, Eunice 6 years old. Mama dog still, I think it's 5 or 6 months old. It's very big size, and she now have 5 baby. Yeah, she gave birth, and all her baby, yeah, grown so fast as well. And all this is the, yeah, you can use this to write the notes about her doggy. And this is another old lady dog. You can see how she sit. Yeah, she always sit like this, so super cute. And yeah, the paper note. Yeah, it's quite difficult to show you that, so okay, let me just zoom over. Okay, like this is much more, you see. And this is my old baby. Yeah, she already passed away, and this is yeah, she is one of a very royal dog, boxer, and she, yeah, I miss her so much. Yeah, love her. She's so good girl, and she know to guide and teach all the baby dog, and yeah, she just is a leader in our house. Yeah, for all the dogs. And this another old dog already passed away, and she also is very smart baby. Love her. Okay, and this is a note, and look at her. Always sit like this. It's funny. And this same with this other one. Okay, this is just a small notebook for her and me and my dog. Okay, and this is the front, and this is the back, and this is quite another thick book. Okay, and yeah, like I say, the images and the paper I print from Pinterest, and I make the pocket here, and I print too big the size the book. So yeah, this you can see block here. Anyway, yeah, this is the pocket. So yeah, Eunice can store something inside the pocket. So I think, let me show you this. Okay, let me do. So yeah, here we go. And yeah, this one, all the pictures cover I laminate, and yeah, follow Bona tutorial, and yeah, so edited to make the notebook. Okay, and yeah, this is great gift for as a birthday or any birthday gift here for friend and family. So yeah, this is a house is not a home without a dog. Yes, definitely agree. So this image is same with this. This is a larger the size. This is small. So this is the page, and yeah, Eunice can write something. I'll draw something here, and you can see the clip is a dog shape. And this is the pet care chart. So yeah, so you can write some the chart here, and behind is the pocket as well as this certificate in the pocket, and yeah, another note behind. And yeah, this one I get inspired from Pinterest. Yeah, you can see this one I bought from online. It's embroidered. Yeah, it's actually it's a iron on embroidery doggy, and bone, make a bone here is a bookmark, and also add the book clip, so you can you can see my house like so super cute. Okay, and now continue. Okay, and I also made another small paper photo, and this is my puppy poodle Candy, super cute, and for new puppy. Yeah, she will turn to 1 year old, turning to one on May. We will celebrate her birthday tonight. Yes. Yeah, I have to change the ring. Too small, so hard. Yeah, all the pictures are almost the same that I showed you just now. Okay, and I use this bone clip. Hold this. You see the doggy here, so super cute. And the back is plain, so you just can draw and write something here. Another dog shape clip. And this is the mama dog. So like I see, she like to bite the plastic plant box here. So, and this another one, so you can slide here. And this notebook is for my little Candy. Yeah, life is better with a poodle. You see, so pretty. Yeah, put a hair clip for her. And let's see, morning. But poodle. Yeah, this is cute. All this I print on Pinterest. Okay, that's so, and a page, and before and after she groomed her hair, and this too tight to stuck inside, and look at her, so super sweet. and another is a print on the paper. Okay, I love my poodle. Yeah, Eunice and with her. Another her picture. Good. So lovely. Okay, and I print her pictures and at this Monday and lemonade. So look at this. Look like she bite the bone. Monday, and yeah, and I make another tag here with a head. Tuesday, and Wednesday is here, up here. Okay, Thursday, and some more her pictures. Get her, super cute. And this one is a pen. Later I'll show you. And Thursday here. And Friday, Saturday, and one more Sunday. All is candy pictures I print out from my computer. Another one, and another pocket. I make this one and put her pictures. Yeah, I can use. Yeah, Eunice can use it. All these are as a bookmark. And another this up. Make pocket here. My love, my life, my dog. Okay. And this one here, and make another. I print this, yeah, from Pinterest. Another pocket here to store all these chart dog name, all the dog name chart. They are Dutch dog, American dogs. So yeah, Eunice, yeah, she knows all so many the dog's name. Right now, yeah, say some. Yeah, ask her, for sure she will tell me what kind of the dog. Yes, because she like doggies. Okay, all this one I store inside this, between the this dog. Make a pocket like so. Okay, so cute. And turn this page. Another happiness is having a dog. So this is a baby. Just now I'll show you the mama. Yeah, this is mama picture, and this is her boy. Yeah, this is the boy, and this is a girl. And all the name is, yeah, Eunice named them. Or is because Eunice like candy. Yeah, she like to eat sweets, candy, lollipops. So she named them. The boy's name, the male, called Gummy Bear, and Jelly Bean. And Eunice like potato chips, so she named one of the dogs called Potato. Okay, and so funny. And the poodle name called Candy. Yeah, okay, funny name. And this another blank page, and this is the paw. Okay, put tag here. Another embroidery doggy, and this one I didn't add the ribbon and bone, and just make a book clip like so. Okay, so yeah, this is so much fun. And I think if I have time, I will make a cat notebook for who, yeah, love cats. Okay, get this page, and another, yeah, I can slide the pictures in, and this is the pocket. Yeah, that's it. This is my me and my doggy notebook for Eunice. There's delay birthday gift. And this one, the pencil, yeah, is I bought from mechanic pencil, yeah, for Daiso, and I add this doggy head that I purchased from online. This look like candy, the poodle. So yeah, put this in and just click in the page. Okay, so this is, let me do make everything nicely and show you one more time. I like to, yeah, make everything nicely. Okay, just put it like so, and better. Okay, and yeah, this is the doggy notebook for Eunice, and let me do zoom nicely. Okay, and yeah, thanks again for everyone for taking your time to watch my video, and subscribe and share. And if you, yeah, please feel free to leave me a comment and let me know what you all think. And if you like this notebook, please give me a big thumbs up. And thanks again for everyone, and bye bye.